How to draw box braids, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're all doing well today. So today we're going to be drawing two different types of box braids. We're going to begin on the left hand side of the page. Be sure to pause the video as you please. At the very top, we're going to begin by making what will look like the bottom half of a heart. There'll be two curved lines that connect at the bottom. Great job! We're going to make 5 more of what we just made underneath of the first one. Also, at the very end, we're going to include a ponytail. Our next curved line will connect to the first part of the braid that we made on the right hand side. Be sure to stick around to the very end because we're going to make one more set of braids and we're also going to color them in together. Fantastic! So far this is coming along very well. We're going to make 2 more underneath what we've previously made. Also, if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on the latest drawing tutorials every single day. Very nice. Now we just have to make 2 more until we make our ponytail. A little later on, we're going to add detail to each shape, which is currently empty, by using small curved lines. Fantastic! Now let's go ahead and start to make our ponytail. It's going to be a long shape that comes to a point at the end. Now, to the right of our ponytail, we're going to use a small curved line which will connect to the rest of our braid. Now, since we have a very small separation between the braid and the ponytail, we're going to use a small curved line to connect them. Now, if you like how your box braid looks without adding detail, then go ahead and skip this part. But we're going to go ahead and add some detail right now. You can get as creative with this as you would like. When we're making our lines inside of our shapes, let's make sure that they're spread out and that they're very small and that they're thin. But if you want to go for a different style, that works as well. This box braid that we just made was used by making a lot of curved lines. Now, when we make our second one a little to the right, we're going to use a lot of shapes. Awesome! Now we have our first box braid completed. Next, we're going to go to the right side of our page and we're going to begin to make the second braid. Like I said before, this will be consistently made of shapes, and it will come with a curve towards the end. Now the first shape that we make will look similar to an oval-like diamond. Now when we make this, we're going to make it on a slant. Nice! Now we're going to use two curved lines that are very small to make the braid right above. On the right side of the braid, all the braids will look similar to what we first made. All of the braids on the left hand side will simply just be a curved line connecting the top to the bottom. We're going to begin to draw our braids on a slant, which will create the curve. Now the next braid that we create will be the most slanted one by far. Nice job! Now we're almost done. We're going to make one more row of braids with one piece underneath before we make our ponytail. Now last but not least, we're going to make a long shape that will come to a point. This will be our ponytail. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw box braids. Be sure to give this video a big like and subscribe if you like watching videos just like this and if this helped you draw box braids. Now stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.